we're gonna kick to our right first, and when you kick out, find the feeling of opening your body. So instead of kick only with your leg, close your body, go out with your body. Yeah, you see, I'm not here, I'm here. So down this way to prep for this movement. Yeah, so instead of going 4, 5, they're gonna be 4. Put it down first, and then 5 and 6. Okay, and you're lowering your body to your left. Your arm go to the left, your forearm go to the left. Keep your elbow in place. Left, right, back. Okay, tap, tap, tap. And pull his head tiny bit to his right. Yogin. And on the second 2 Korean word, Nowa, we're gonna put it on our shoulder. Okay, today we're gonna go through the chorus. So starting from ba 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 ba, oh what you want. If you're interested in the pre-chorus, starting from here. Da 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 da. You can check out the slow mirror tutorial. But for today, we're just gonna focus starting from the chorus. Okay? So we're gonna start from 5, 6, 7, 8, where the backup will run into Lino, so run into the center. Yes, and they start from, so I'm doing this based on the music video, yeah? So they're gonna start from right leg. Right, left, right, and then jump. Okay? 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And then on 8, you land. On 8 and you're gonna rebound up. So if we do it in normal speed, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2. Okay? But because we can't pause in mid-air, so I'm just gonna make the jump really small for now. So 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. So starting from 1 is when we do this movement, right? So as you can see, on 8 and you rebound up. Now you are mid-air, and then on 1 you're gonna land on your right side. And 1 and 2, okay? When we jump, our hands gonna go up like this and up like this. So whichever side you're jumping to, your arm will go up to that side. To that side, okay? Make sure your elbow is up, so you don't want to see your hand like this. So fix your elbow, okay? Now when you jump, try to lift your leg up. So instead of jump like this, try to jump like this, okay? When we're doing 5 and 6 and you can open your arm, you can run, you can do whatever you want, as long as you're not dangling here, yeah? Okay, so I'm just gonna open my arm. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. Now after 1 and 2, on 3 and 4, we're gonna go 3 and 4. For this movement, together with this movement, they're called party machine. So I'm pretty sure everyone's seen this, right? This is also included in this foundation move. So to do that, so I'm following what Lino and the backup dancers are doing in this specific dance. So the hand might be tiny different if you're practicing the basic movements. For now, we're gonna go into fists. Front, open, down. Dum, dum, dum. It feels like you're swimming, right? Ta, ta, ta. Your body gonna do the same thing. Forward, up, down. Now, when we're doing it, keep your arms straight, 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 straight down. For our lower body, we're jumping. The first time you jump, you're gonna jump tiny bit forward. Tiny bit forward, yeah? So we're not doing ta, ta, ta. We're doing ta, back, together, okay? Forward, back, together. Together with your hand and upper body. Out, open, close. Now because it's really, really fast, really relax your knees. Relax your knees and lower your body level. So you don't want to go like this, right? Okay? One more time, super slow. 7, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. After this, 5 and 6. So I'm pretty sure most of you sing this in Hyunjin's song. Boom and boom. So to do this, try to kick the leg first. Kick and kick. One more time. So when you kick, based on this dance, we're gonna kick to our right first. And when you kick out, find the feeling of opening your body. So instead of kick only with your leg, close your body, go out with your body. Yeah, you see, I'm not here. I'm here, right? Okay, after you kick, you're gonna land on this leg, switch, and you're gonna kick out. Same thing, open your body, okay? Kick and kick and kick and kick. Now after you find the correct way to kick, you can add an arm. Whichever leg you are kicking, you go out with that side, okay? And when we're pushing, we're gonna push with our palm, so it's not a fist anymore. Tap. Now your arm is not tilting, yeah? Your arm is just straight. Straight and straight. Notice how I didn't put it down. Keep it here, okay? Right after, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. On 7, 8, we're gonna land with our left leg to our right, okay? 45, 7, you're gonna step onto it, come back. Step and come back. This kind of movement, 2 times, yeah? 7 and 8. Second time, we're gonna clap. And the way we clap is right hand go down, left hand go up. So on 7, you put it down. On 8, you clap. Okay? From here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. From the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Starting from here, 8. We're gonna step. So from here, I'm gonna follow the backup dancers because they're not holding mics, so it's easier to follow. Basically, we step up with our right leg. Step to the side. At the same time, put this hand down, and your right hand is gonna go over your shoulder. So right after this, go over your shoulder, and your body gonna go back as well. And then come back with your chin. Still your right hand. 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. 3 and 4, we're gonna put it down. 3 and 4. This is a very common combo in choreography and jazz. You go down with your hip, come up, go up with your shoulder or your chest. So in jazz, we're gonna come up with our chest, but because this is not sexy style, we're gonna go up with our whole upper body, which is our shoulder, okay? Down and up. Now our hand again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Shoulder, chin, go down, relax, okay? Starting from 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now when we're doing 7 and 8, if you want, you can do a little bit texture, but because most of the stages they're not doing anything. I think it's because it's a live concert. Everyone's just vibing. But if you want, you can use a little bit lower body. 7 and 8. So instead of only doing your leg, use this part a little bit so it looks more dynamic. Okay, continue starting from 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Starting from here, we're gonna do this movement, right? So when we do this movement, right after 4, they're gonna put their body down first, so down this way, to prep for this movement, yeah? So instead of going 4, 5, they're gonna be 4, put it down first, and then 5 and 6, okay? Now for 5 and 6, our hand is just doing this, going up this way, going up this way, yeah? This way and this way. Now our lower body, we lift our leg up, so only this side of your leg comes up, comes up. So if we ignore the hip, yeah, ignore the hip and the upper body, it's just this, okay? So whichever side you are going up to, your leg go to that side too. Okay, now with our hip, you want to sit down a little bit. For example, I'm going this way. Instead of going like this, I'm gonna sit down. Sit down. This. I'm not saying sit down like this, yeah, but like relax. down, sit down. When you sit down, your hip will rotate out naturally. Okay? You don't need to think about, I'm rotating my hip, but just relax and sit down and your hip will come up naturally. Okay? Very, very slow. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Let's finish this 8 count. 5 and 6. We're gonna put this leg down just at the back. 6 and 7. This movement. 7 and 8. You tap, tap, and then comes up. Put it back. Tap and come back. Okay? Tap, come back, and then switch. So when we switch, it's gonna be another movement. But let's connect that one first. 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So on 8, we are not gonna tap forward anymore. We're gonna tap back. When you tap back, you're gonna close your body, and then you're gonna open your body. 7 and 8 and. Okay, but here is where they're gonna go and da 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 da. Yes. So to create this effect, you want to close and open your body. 7 and 8 and. Okay, starting from here. 8 and. We're gonna step left, right, slide to the left. One more time. You tap with your right leg, tap in with your left, come up with your left, step to the front, to your right side, slide to your left. Okay, one more time. 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and. So on 2, there's no hand movement. 2, on N, you lift your elbow up. So you don't lift your arm here, not here. Lift your elbow, forearm up. 2 N, okay, 2 N. 3 N. So when you're lowering your body to your left, your arm go to the left, your forearm go to the left. Keep your elbow in place. Left, right, back. Okay? Ta, ta, ta. When you swing this way, you're gonna step with your right leg, right, and go down. Okay? Keep your elbow stable, forearm go out. 3 and 4, put it down. Okay? Super slow from here. 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, keep going. So here I'm following Lino because the backup are jumping on cannon, like all type of jumping. So I'm just gonna follow Lino. There are 3 counts. So on the 3 counts, the backups are gonna be jumping. Yeah. For Lino, he's just gonna point 3 times. Okay. Da 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 3 times. Now for your body, you can just rock naturally with the 3 pointing. Yeah. So you rock forward, backward, forward, but really, really, really small because it's a very, very small movement. Yeah, da da da. Okay. After this, everyone will do the same. Ta and the ta. Now for this movement, Lino is doing tiny bit like this, but all the backups are doing tiny bit more like this. So I think either way is fine as long as the shape of your feet are going out. Okay, out and out. And the backups are going left 2 times, yeah? So we're not doing right and left, we're going left and the left. At the same time, relax your knees, so you don't want to look like this, down and down, okay? After this, we're approaching the ending. I'm gonna be following the backup here because Lino is walking this way and singing. If you're following Lino, literally no movement. But if you want to follow the backups who had movements, you move this way, yeah? So right after you go, dong, 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 we're gonna go, tap, tap. We're gonna do this movement 3 times. Da, 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 da. Now every time you do it, you lift up your left leg first. Left, right. And your body weight is on your left, okay? Left, right, left, right, left, right. Now when I say lift up, I'm not saying you need to lift it up like this. I'm just saying you're moving it first, yeah? Left, right. Now for our hand, right after you go ta, 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 you're gonna put it down first. The first one, you're gonna put it down. Second one, you're gonna put it on your waist. Your left arm on your waist. And then the third one, you're gonna put it on your shoulder, okay? And when you put it on your shoulder, you're gonna look up. So it will look like this. First one, second one, third one, okay? Now let's go with counts until here, starting from 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Okay, and 1 and 2 and 3. Now on 4, 5, we're gonna keep stepping, but circling, turning around towards our right. Step and close. Okay, so 3 steps to the front. Right after you do this 3 times, you're gonna go 1 step, 2 step to the front. Okay, at the same time, our hands right after you go da 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 da. We're gonna open our arm. Okay, we're gonna open like this. So literally just opening. There's no level or anything. You just open it up, and palm facing outside, facing out, facing out. On the 3rd step, come in. So all together, starting from here, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. This is where Lino gonna sing, say yeah. Yep, 7, 8. Okay, and then is the last line of the chorus. We're gonna follow the lyrics because it's easier. Okay, so I'm going to follow what Lino did in the concert, but I'm gonna change this movement to the ending move in the music video because it's an actual movement that we can face the front. But if you want to follow what he did on stage, I'll explain that later too. Yeah. Starting from 여긴. So he's gonna count up with his right hand and then pull his head tiny bit to his right. 여긴. And on the second 2 Korean word, 너와, we're gonna put it on our shoulder. And I think he comes back, like his head come back after that. 여긴 너와. On 나의 use, starting from 나의, he's gonna slowly turn his body. So if you're following what he's doing in the music video, you will turn this way. 여긴 너와 나의 use. So starting from 나의, you're gonna start turning. Yeah. If you are following what he did on stage, on 나의 use, you're gonna come this way and turn this way. And when you turn this way, this hand gonna come up. 나의 use. Okay. But if you are doing what he did in the music video at the end, you would turn this way, no hand needed. And now on 5, 6, 7, 8, you're gonna point to the front. Yeah. So if you check out the music video, you get what I mean. Now, if you are doing this pointing, you'll be pointing really, really on point, like on 7, 8, okay? If you are doing this, you're gonna do this on 8. So you're gonna face the back up, and then on 8, you're gonna click, like the photo shoot thing, right? Either way, you're gonna do this or this on 8. So all together, right after you go, say yeah. 여긴 너와 나의 use. Tap. So it comes out. 여긴 너와 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Very, very slow, starting from here. 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 여긴 너와 나의 use. Tap. Okay. Let's go through everything again from the top. Okay. Starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 여긴 너와 나의 use.